Let's say that you're going to make an edit and you want to go for a low frame rate. So you might be going for something like a jug style, maybe vibe, or something else like flow. Perhaps something completely different because not every style has a name. What you would do is head over to File at the top, New, Sequence, and as you try and change the time base, you'll notice that there are fixed settings. There is no option to type in a frame rate of your choice. You're limited to these options here. So the solution to this is the custom frame rate pack. And yes, I did make this video in the past, probably a few times, but the algorithm isn't really pushing it out, so I want more people to see it. It's going to be useful if you want to make low frame rate edits because, well, high FPS, as you know, doesn't really look good. 24 and below is the sweet spot. Alright, so how do you use this? All you have to do is just pick a frame rate. So let's say I'm going to make a flow edit. Actually, let's go for jug. So jug edits work really well at 20 frames per second, maybe even 18. Let's just go 20. So I'm going to drag this to create a new sequence. So what you can do now is delete the original file. That's going to get rid of the clip on the timeline. So hit yes. And what you can do now is change the settings. So leave the frame rate as it is, because by creating a new sequence based on the settings of the original source, so it's this video right here, blank video at 20 frames per second, what it's done is it's created a sequence on those exact settings. So leave the time base as it is, but you can change the frame size and everything else. Then click OK, and what you can do is save this as a preset. So right click here and select Create Preset from Sequence. Give it a name, and also if you want to add a description, I'm going to leave it blank and hit OK. So now every time you want to create a new sequence at 20 frames per second, just scroll down to Custom and it should be right there, 20 frames per second.